Orbeez Stress Ball Collection. These 3 are from the Dollar Tree. Strawberry, banana, and grape. All of these are from Five Below. Pineapple, blueberry, watermelon, grape, pink and clear Orbeez, this really pretty color combination with mint and lavender, and lastly, this globby. This is one of my favorite Orbeez stress balls. These 2 are from My Sensory Tools, but this one has mold in it, so I would not recommend. Orange and lemon. This emoji Orbeez ball is from Fidgetware, and this is one of my favorites. And this very stretchy Orbeez ball is from Kendy's Fidgets. I have all 3 different colors of the Bubble Neatos: pink, purple, and blue. Orbeez mesh ball, and this is so satisfying. It popped. What was my first fidget? I got my first fidget in September 2020, and technically my first fidget was a fidget spinner. I actually had 2 official fidgets, so not including the fidget spinners. First was a fidget pad, and second was my purple circle poppet. Also, if you're wondering, I ordered these from mysensorytools.com. Obviously, fidget pads are super fun, but when I got this poppet in the mail, I literally was screaming. And it's such a good poppet too. Listen to this pop. Oh my gosh. And then this is the other side. It literally has 2 loud sides. But yeah, this fidget pad and this poppet were my first ever fidgets. So I got this rainbow poppet in the mail yesterday, but I don't really like it. So I'm gonna see if I can scam somebody with it. Trading legendary limited edition ultra rare rainbow poppet.
Me.
Okay, what's your offer?
I'll give you a pea popper, a wacky check, and 3 pop tubes.
I like all those fidgets, but could you add since this poppet is legendary?
Sure, I'll give you 2 Neatos.
She's giving me a lot of good fidgets, but I'm gonna see if I can get a few more out of her. Could you add like 2 more things?
Okay, I can give you this pineapple poppet and this simple dimple.
Deal! Oh my gosh, these fidgets are so good.
This poppet isn't that good. Can we trade back?
No! Hey guys! So I know how expensive some fidgets can be, specifically dimples, and Pop Fidgets here on TikTok actually sells really cheap simple dimples. These simple dimples are only $3.99 each, and for 10% off your purchase, you can use the discount code SHARXFidgets, which will make these even cheaper. The link will be in my bio if you would like to get some simple dimples for a really cheap price. They do come with these hooks, so you can use them as a keychain. These are so fun to pop, and for less than $4, these are so worth it. And if you didn't know, simple dimples are my favorite fidgets. Just to show you guys a comparison, these ones from Fat Brain Toys are almost $6 each, and these ones from Pop Fidgets are less than $4. So the simple dimples from Pop Fidgets are $2 cheaper. And if you have sensitive hands, these ones do not have logos on them, so they're very easy to pop. Pop Fidgets sells a lot of other fidgets on their website as well, but make sure to use the 10% off discount code SHARXFidgets so you can save money when you buy from them. Bye! Fidgets I recommend that are $5 or less. Pop tubes are some of my favorite fidgets. And you can find this exact pack of 3 pop tubes at Five Below for $3. Look how fun! These pop tubes are loud, but for $3, I think these are totally worth it. Some of my favorite stress balls are DNA balls. And each of these DNA balls was $5. I got this one from Mrs. Bench. And this one was from mysensorytools.com. I absolutely love any Orbeez stress balls, but these happen to be my favorite. These 3 are from the Dollar Tree. And for $1, these are really nice. And thank you guys for telling me this is a grape and not a lime. This one is a globby and it was at Five Below for $3. And the last fidgets that I recommend for this video are Neatos. You can get a 3-pack of mini Neatos for $3 to $5, or any of these bigger Neatos for $3 at Walmart. Oh my gosh, guys, my package from My Sensory Tools just came in the mail. I'm literally so excited. So I just got the package open, and the first thing is my invoice. Okay. Oh my god. Look at all this stuff. The first thing that catches my eye is this pink dough ball. Whoa, this feels so cool. I literally love the feeling of this. I think that this one's another dough ball, but this one's smaller, so let's open it. I was actually wrong. This is a jelly ball. This one feels so cool too. The next thing is an infinity cube. I've literally always wanted one of these. These feel so cool. I'm really not used to playing with them, but I really like them. So I'm running out of time, so come back for part 2 to see the rest of the things that I got. Hey guys, we're at Five Below. Guys, look, they have splat balls. And look. I'm getting this egg. And they have Slinkies. They also have these fidget spinners and all of this stuff. Slime. Whoa, these are huge. Look at all the slime. Lots of mini brands. Wow. They have Nutella too. I love these. Okay, so now we're at Walgreens. Guys, look, they have these Orbeez things. And these. I found these Easter squishies. I also found this thing and it feels so weird. They also have these squishy notepads. I didn't end up getting anything from Walgreens, but I'll do a haul when I get home. Fidget hunting at Five Below. Guys, we found Squishmallows. Orbeez mesh ball. So they have these mochi packs, which they usually have. A lot of Floam. Slime. Squishies. And they have the bear gummies that I already have. So I didn't really find anything I wanted at Five Below, but I did get this Stitch Squishmallow and this Dumbo Squishmallow for my friend, as well as these Airhead soft-filled bites. That's all. Bye!